The latest information that we are getting for our viewers is a statement that's come from the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, and Yogi Adityanath is asking people to ensure that they follow all instructions that are given. मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ ने श्रद्धालुओं से अपील की है, मां गंगा के जो जिस घाट के समीप है वहीं करे स्नान, संगम नोज की ओर जाने का न करे प्रयास। स्नान के लिए बनाए गए कई स्नान घाट, किया जा सकता है स्नान, प्रशासन के निर्देश का करे अनुपालन, व्यवस्था बनाने में करे सहयोग, किसी भी अफवाह पर ध्यान न दे। So do not believe rumors, do not rush to the Sangam nose, take a bath wherever, take a holy dip wherever you can in the Ganga or the Yamuna is what the Chief Minister is again requesting the pilgrims, the devotees who are here in large numbers. My colleague Ashish Srivastav now joins me, and Ashish has been reporting on the movement of the akhadas constantly. Ashish, we are now told that the akhadas, without the pomp and show, will take out their in yatra and take a dip at Sangam. Is there clarity on their movement now?
Yeah, Gaurav, this is the clarity given by President of Akhada Council, and they have especially they have stated that again the Akhada Parishad will take a holy dip in Sangam, and that's why the preparation is going on to again the Akhada dip, because it has seen that many devotees who were here and they were very disappointed after listening that the Akhada will not take a holy dip here. And now after the decision which has been taken by the council president and especially told that they will prepare all the things equally and will do this holy dip, and that's why the preparation is going on here. And this is a big decision which have been taken by the Akhada council, and that's the reason that because they have told that the information was coming from the other side that the situation was not according to the holy dip in that moment, and now this has been clear now, and that's why they have decided now again they will show the same, not pump and show like where the situation would be over there, and not again they will do the crowd management will be affected here, but they have told clearly that all the things will be done equally as it was previously done. It means that this was the big decision by the Akhada Council, and especially the good news for the devotees who were waiting from early morning here, and they just wanted to see the holy dip while doing with Akhada Parishad, and that's why this is a decision. After taking this, now the devotees who are here from early morning and they just going to take a holy dip in Sangam are still waiting that, and after listening this news they just want to that and want to see that, because they are coming from 100 kilometer away and they are just coming from covering after long distance, and that's why they just wanted to see the Akhada should take a holy dip, and that's why like a Naga Sadhu, like all priests, and they just wanted to so, and that's after this situation, after the declaration by the Akhada Parishad, they are just still waiting here. And you know what, the way where I'm standing, and this is Akhada Mark, which
it's
which
actually a grand spectacle. Ashish, you're absolutely right. Devotees come from far and wide to be able to see the akhadas, and one after the other, when the akhadas they roll down this track all the way to Sangam, there are lakhs and lakhs of devotees that cheer and pray and worship from either side and throw petals, flower petals at the Naga Sadhus, at the saints, at the seers, at the Mahamandaleshwars of the Shahi Akhadas, one after the other. When 13 of them, they go down all this road all the way to Sangam, one after the other, and take that Shahi Snan or the Amrit Snan at Mahakumbh. But this time, because of the crowds and because of the stampede, you can still hear ambulances almost constantly in the backdrop. Now the administration is urging the pilgrims and devotees to move out as quickly as possible.